Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix guided access not working on iPhone. If guided access is not working on your iPhone, here is the fix. The very first fix is go to settings, tap on accessibility, scroll down and find guided access. Make sure it is turned on, if not turn it on. Tap on passcode settings. Now set guided access passcode, or you can also enable Face ID. Either set Face ID or set a guided access passcode. I'm keeping Face ID. Now try using guided access again. If it does not work again, turn guided access off. Go to settings again, accessibility again, and turn off guided access. And restart your phone. Press volume up button, down button, hold the side button and restart your phone. Check if the guided access is working or not. Go to settings, turn on again and check it is working or not. If still not working, ensure accessibility shortcut is turned on. Go to guided access again. And make sure accessibility shortcut is turned on. And then go to accessibility shortcut, and from here make sure guided access is checked in accessibility shortcut. Hold the guided access and move it to the top and check if the issue is resolved or not. That's it. These are the fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.